The brand sent me these sound panels, and in just a second, I'm going to show you everything about these. But let me just real quick talk to you about why you might want these. If you film for YouTube, if you have a podcast, if you do any kind of audible recordings, voice acting, anything like that, your room can be echoey. But putting something like a sound panel helps the sound bounce off of this so that it has a much better quality. And that's why you might want to have these. Also, if you have really high ceilings, the sound quality, as far as the echoiness and the tinniness, it's going to sound worse, particularly if you're recording. But even if you're not recording, the more you can put materials in a room, hanging tapestries, curtains, it helps with the sound quality. So if you're in a room and it sounds horrible, put up some of these. It's also great in a closet. These are fabulous in a closet. Then no one has to see that you've got these on your wall and you can record in the closet. So now let's move on to these so you can know exactly what you're getting. First of all, they stink. Be prepared. They come out smelling very chemically. The smell will dissipate after a while, but right when you open it, you're gonna know. You're gonna know you're opening them. Now, let me show you. They're gonna come completely flattened, and we're gonna open one together. And then they start to puff out. See how these are puffy? They do not come with any tape or glue. You will need to get spray adhesive, or you can get museum tape. The tape, that museum tape is fabulous. And then when you need to remove it, spray it, hit it with a dry hair dryer. In fact, if you want these to puff out quicker, hit them with a hair dryer. Otherwise, that museum gel stays up there forever. Okay, this is how they come, and you get 4 of these blocks. This one is one that was already open, and then, no, that's 3. Okay, get 3 of these big bags. Yes, I think that's right. So we're going to open these together so you see exactly what you're getting and how to do it and all that. The first outer bag and then in the outer bag, you get 2 of these. One of them is already kind of puffy, and this other one is not puffy at all. So let's open this so you can see how much it changes. I love watching these things inflate. I don't know why, but I think it's fun. And in just a minute, these are going to be the same size as those. See them? Isn't it so fun? And they're stank. I'm telling you, they're stank. Okay, now these come apart. And these will continue to puff out. And you can put them on the wall. This is the way I like to do it. Like that. It gives it kind of a texture so it doesn't look as bad. These are really boring, but they're inexpensive. You can have a lot of them so that your sound quality sounds really good, and it's not going to cost you very much. And that's what's so great about these. They're easy to apply. You get a lot of bang for your buck, and they're very inexpensive. I hope that helps.